He came to save the lost with love that can't be tossed. He healed the sick, gave sight to the blind. With every step, a purpose defined. Yet many still wander, lost in the night, ignoring the truth, turning from light. What road will you walk? What path will you take? His sacrifice calls for your soul's sake. With arms open wide, He waits for you there. Will you choose to follow or turn in despair? He bore the weight of our sins and our shame. With every lash, He endured the blame. A crown of thorns for the King of all kings, and still He offers the hope that He brings. What road will you walk? What path will you take? His sacrifice calls for your soul's sake. With arms open wide, He waits for you there. Will you choose to follow or turn in despair? Rise up, dear heart, from the ashes of doubt. His love is the answer. Let it echo out. For every step forward in faith you will find the road that leads home, where love is designed. What road will you walk? What path will you take? His sacrifice calls for your soul's sake. With arms open wide, He waits for you there. Will you choose to follow or turn in despair? He walked the path, now it's yours to